all petrol and diesel vehicles with instant results in just 10 minutes with up to 50% extra mileage. Graphenizer 1G1 removes the hard carbon deposits from piston and stops emission pollution with black smoke instantly for both petrol and diesel engines without any machine or opening the engine. It also cleans the injectors, nozzles, valves, pumps and plugs instantly and reduces the knocking sound, noise, vibrations and increases full pickup with smoothness for all types of 2 and 3 wheelers, cars, trucks, buses, JCBs, boats and all other heavy machineries. Thereby, it saves a lot of maintenance cost and time. Graphenizer 2 G2, instant engine heat reducer with powerful lubrication. It forms a layer inside the engine and controls friction and wear and tear. It treats metal-to-metal surfaces with powerful lubrication, increases engine's power and controls the jerk when the AC is turned on. It protects the engine if the radiator or the coolant leaks. It stops engine oil leakage and extends the engine's life. It reduces engine's heat up to 60% and no more engine oil top-up required. It extends the engine oil's life up to 40,000 kilometers. It saves engine oil up to 3 times. For an ACs, reduces the compressor noise and increases the cooling effect. Wherever oil used, Graphenizer 2 can be added there as well. Graphenizer 2 can be used in all brand new cars as well. Graphenizer 2 can be used in all types of petrol, diesel and CNG engines, gearbox differential, compressors, transformers, bearings, conveyor belts, automotives, hydraulics, small and heavy machineries, and other industrial purposes. Graphenizer, a complete engine treatment for all vehicles with instant results in just 10 minutes with up to 50% extra mileage. Check the pollution test before and after the treatment. Graphenizer is empowered with graphene, a miracle material of tomorrow's world. Graphenizer is formulated in Dubai by Pisic. Graphenizer, a miracle fuel and engine oil additive provides complete engine treatment solution to minimize the cost and maximize the performance and safety of the engine for all vehicles of petrol and diesel with instant results. Graphenizer, a complete engine treatment for all vehicles with instant results in just 10 minutes with up to 50% extra mileage. Check the pollution test before and after the treatment. It is trending top #1 in Google. Search as Graphenizer, first of its kind in the world. For dealers and distributors, visit www.graphenizer.com. Call or WhatsApp